Guys, you want a tutorial how to upload your game in itch.io. And if you're a beginner or your first time in itch.io and you want to upload your game, let me show you how. So first, go to Google Chrome or Microsoft Bing. You know, Microsoft Bing, Google Chrome, whatever, and go to Scratch. Yeah, you have to go in Scratch and go to your stuff and go to the project you didn't share, because I'm gonna go in the share project, and you're gonna go into your game. You're gonna click see inside, and you're gonna wait a bit for it's ready, because I have a lot of sprite files because I copied my game. When you go in your project, you're gonna go in File and Save to the computer, because since it's a SB3 file, you're gonna search turbowarp.org and you're gonna go in TurboWarp Packager. After you go in, choose a file, like I said. So I'm gonna choose the file you install, or another SB3 file. And when you go into the file, you can choose your own page icon and your own loading street image, because me, I don't like that. You know, when you lose on your game and it's got a stop all, use beat stuck and start project automatically instead of showing a big green flag. And when you just stop all when you lose and you put the stop all in your project, and where's the green flag? So that's why you need to show the green flag, the stop thing, and the pause button in control, or you can show full screen button in controls. And you can choose a custom cursor, a no cursor, and a normal cursor, mouse pointer over. And if you want play in your computer, take plain HTML or zip idea for a website. I'm gonna choose an HTML file. And if you want for Windows, here it is. If you want Windows, here it is. And you can put the version. No, there's more. There's like here, zip. I will show you all, and you can install it in Windows, but you don't need to. So after, go to itch.io and go to create a new project, and your game. you need upload a cover image. The image do you want? I'm gonna use the meme file. For example, kind of funny. And you can put HTML you want, because if you have HTML, this is the HTML, and I need to just fix. I will be right back. Project Earl, BNG4 platformer. And after, if you want to save and view your page, is not here. And if you take the SB3 file, you're wrong. If you have taken the SB3 file, you're wrong. You're wrong. And if you have tried and view page, you see it doesn't work. So if you put the SB3 file, go back to editing and delete your file. And take the BH and take, you see? Because here's the difference to SB3 and HTML. You can play HTML. You see, because HTML here, because you have to put the HTML to your game, because I don't know why you choose HTML. I just gonna show you. And if you want someone to download it, go package, and that will be fast enough. And your game and this file will be played in browser. After BNG plat zip, if you put the zip file, this will take way longer than the HTML file, because if you go here, I'm gonna show you. If you go HTML file, it's more faster. You can play freely. You can play freely like you're in a site. Or because I want to show you how to put your game in a website. So I can never start it. And if you want to download it, download. Or if you don't want to download it, just put it on itch.io. Okay, it's now Google Sites. So after you're finished, go write Google Site. I'm gonna use this keyboard. Owned by anyone. Start a new site, blank site. The blank site you have to go on. Your page to do. So the page to do, enter site name. I'm gonna say BNG4 platformer. Remember? And with BNG4 for bridge and grass 4. No, you can write it here too. Platformer. You know, you can change in here, or you don't. If you want to add a logo, you don't need to. And after, take the like URL. You don't need a file for this. You need to go again on Scratch. My stuffs. After, go to the project you want. I'm gonna choose my own game that 4 people played. And if it takes a lot of blocks, it can be a long time. But don't need, because if you try the link, it says the link, and if you try to enter the URL, you can't. So that's why you have to put the embed code. It doesn't work. You have the HTML file, that iframe. So insert it, insert your project on your Scratch. And if you want everyone plays, share with others, no, publish. And you created your own site. I'm gonna publish it. And if you go to your platformer, this is possible, you can have that. And it will take a long time because you have a lot of code. You have some lot of code. And if it doesn't work, because I don't know, and you don't need, if you don't need a zip save and public. And if you want anyone to look at your page, view page, because I don't need a zip file. You need a folder, and your game is ready. And your game is ready. It seems I forgot the. No, I didn't forget that. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't move your platformer or something, just click on the screen and it works. So, don't forget to like and subscribe into that channel and put the ringing bell and leave a like because I tutorial you. Okay, bye.